Pare, nag-enjoy ka?
Yeah.
Alright. You are pretty hyper tonight. Let's see what the judges think. Nag-enjoy ka ba doon, FM?
Ay, nako. You know, parang ano eh. Parang unfair. Kasi nakigiyan ka na lahat. Packaging, galing sa performance. Man, with your performance, you killed it. You did great, and I think you were in your element. You were born to do this.
Maraming salamat. Ang bigat nun. Ang bigat nun, FM. Mamita.
Well, he really knows how to entertain the people here. Importante din yan, yung let's say, for example, how you have your rapport with the audience, and like you said, ang galing-galing niya. Actually, ngayon ko lang din siya nadinig na ganyan sa ibang audition natin. Pero talagang, I think that's what we need in Philippine Idol. Yung bang merong appeal ka dyan.
Complete package, appeal, Mr. C.
Appeal. First of all, he's much taller than you.
You know, Mamita, that's a shame. Because I like mature women.
But
that is such a shame. I love you.
sorry, Juliana.
Di ako makahilig sa lips. Nandyan yung pamilya. Alright. Thank you very much, Mamita. Mr. C, what do you think?
Very professional, very sleek. Now, I hope the voters come in for you.
That's right.
So all up to the voters. Thank you very much, Mr. C. Judges, thank you. Gian, would you like to say anything about what the judges said? Complete package and appeal. Appeal. It's up to the voters. What do you think?
God bless. And please vote.
All right. Please vote for Gian. And if you like Gian's performance, here's what you do. Type Gian, G-I-A-N, and 2339. Diyan nyo ipapadala using Smart and any other network that you want to use. At eto po, kung PLDT landline ang inyong gagamitin, you dial 19085-IDOL-06. Pero mamaya po niya gagawin yan when we give you the go signal. Ayaw nating masayang inyong mga boto, so wait for our go signal. Gian, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good job, man. Sa ating pagbabalik, iba't ibang style ng pagkanta mula kay Ramil Grepo, Miguel Mendoza, at Raymond Sahor. You are still watching Philippine Idol, and the stars have come out to party with us dito sa Philippine Idol Theater sa Mega Mall, and one of them is the lovely Miss Jeanette McBride, who's visiting from the States. All right, are you enjoying? All right. Thank you very much, Jeanette, for coming out here. Ang sabi nga natin, iba-ibang style ng pagkanta ang meron dito sa Philippine Idol. And one of them is rock. A rocker has come out to rock with us, and he has the long hair to prove it. Ito po si Ramil Grepo.
I have a band there in Baguio, pero after that, they kicked me out. May mga bagay na kailangan isakripisyo. Malayo ka sa pamilya mo, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay.
Gising na't bigyang laya ang pangarap na buhay.
Okay ba to?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Yes.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I'm gonna sing Bed of Roses. It's a rock ballad. I chose that firstly because it's really a deep song. Masyado siyang intimate.
Trying hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know, 'cause the bottle of vodka still watching my head. Some blonde gave me nightmares. Think that she's still in my head. So I dream about movies, they won't wake up me when I'm dead.
Hindi ko maintindihan why your band kicked you out. Everyone enjoyed the performance. They must be kicking themselves right now. Bakit ka nila tinanggal?
I don't know with them. Hindi ko talaga alam.
Well, pakinggan natin what the judges have to say, Ramir. FM, you stood up.
Alam mo, Ramir, habang pinapanood kita, kinikilabutan ako. Ramir, eto ang manok ko, eto pamato ko. Kung pupusta ako, lahat ng pera ko dito ko ipupusta.
Talaga?
Mawala na lahat, wag lang si Ramir. Ramir, malas ng mga kabanda mo. Nagkamali sila. You're the man.
Bakit?
Thank you.
Inalis siya?
All right.
Inalis siya.
Thank you very much, FM. Mamita.
Ramir!
Po.
I love you!
I love you too, Mamita.
Thank you, Mamita.
Yan na!
Mr. C.
Best choice of song tonight.
Oh, yes!
And you are the singer to beat tonight.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
We're halfway and he's the singer to beat. Ramir, ano man masasabi mo sa sinabi ng judges?
Thank you po. God bless.
God bless.
Alright.
Ramir, taga Baguio ka, di ba?
Yeah.
Ano yung mga taga Baguio?
Sa lahat ng mga taga Baguio at sa Cavite, mga kamag-anak ko po nandito. And supportahan niyo po ako. Salamat ho.
Taga Baguio man o taga Cavite, kung paborito nyo si Ramir ngayong gabi, this is what you have to do. You text Ramir, that's with 2 R's in the end. Text it to 2339 using Smart and other networks. At kung landline ang inyong gagamitin, all you have to dial is 1908-5-IDOL-07 para kay Ramir. Pero mamaya po nyo gagawin yan pagkatapos ng show when we give you the go signal. Ramir, maraming salamat. Ang tinik mo, men. Alright, susunod na kakanta ay bunso ng Philippine Idol competitions. Oh, Ramir, dito ka lang, brother. Ano kang kinakabahan eh. Alright, susunod nating kakanta ay bunso ng Philippine Idol competition. 16-year-old Miguel Mendoza, R&B naman ang style. Let's see kung anong kwento niya.
Kaso nag-hesitate ako kasi baka patuloy ako.
Two drifters off to see the world.
Sing the memory.